Hello and welcome to Sterling's. Today's video I'm going to cover registering for VAT as a non-UK director, however having a UK limited company. By that what I mean, ideally you are located outside the UK or you're not a resident in the UK. However, you have a limited company based in the UK which is liable for tax and VAT to the HMRC. In your situation, why the VAT is important and why Amazon pushes for VAT registration, and who is a foreign or non-resident director, how difficult is it to register for VAT, and who can assist you for registering. These are the topics that I'm going to cover today. First of all, importance of VAT. It's a legal requirement set out by the HMRC. If you have sold more than £85,000 over the last 12 months, you are liable for registering your company for the VAT. Or you could register for VAT if you think you will be making taxable sales in the UK for your business. For example, if one of your clients is operating a business in the UK, they would ideally ask you for a VAT invoice for the purchase they made. In that case, you must inform the client either you are VAT registered or no. If you're not VAT registered, you should produce an invoice without the VAT. And if you are VAT registered, you must produce the invoice clearly showing the figures that were charged for the VAT. In ideal case scenario, you would likely to have the VAT registration completed if you have B2B clients. In that case, the HMRC has not made this compulsory for you to register for the VAT. However, it is good for your branding and good for your business to register for the VAT if you have B2B clients. It completely depends on your products and your services that you are selling in the UK, either through Amazon, ecommerce, Shopify, or another marketplace. You can do the voluntary registration in that case if you think you'll be making taxable income over the next 12 months, or if you think you should register simply due to the branding and a good image of your company or your brand to the clients that you're targeting with advertising campaigns. VAT is extremely important also due to the legal requirements of operating the business in the UK. If you do not register for the VAT after you met the threshold, you may or may not be getting a penalty from the HMRC for the non-compliance. Bear that in mind. While you're operating an Amazon business, Amazon will be pushing you for the VAT registration, or you may have limited access to your Amazon account. If Amazon sends you a notification through your Seller Central, you will have to register for the VAT either as a non-UK director or a UK director while you operate a UK limited company. Amazon runs or operates artificial intelligence on their website, on their platform. They can most likely predict the almost accurate when you are going to meet the threshold of the VAT. By that, what I mean, say, for example, if you had over the last 6 months sales of £50,000, Amazon can well predict that your sales are increasing and you are likely to meet the threshold of the VAT. So they would like you to register for the VAT in advance. This is for two reasons. Number one is Amazon has a legal responsibility to the HMRC ensuring everyone who are meeting the threshold are correctly charging the VAT on their platform. And second thing is you will not have any disruption in your business while you're operating on Amazon if you have the VAT registration completed before you met that threshold. Who is a foreign and non-resident director? As explained at the beginning of my video, you are based outside the UK. However, you opened a limited company in the UK. You are classed as non-resident or a foreign director to the UK. You will be responsible for all the VAT and taxations for your company, although you're based outside the UK. This does not exclude you from any of the responsibilities that HMRC or Companies House have set out for your company. How difficult is it to register for a VAT as a foreign director? It can be difficult if you do not understand the actual terms that set out by HMRC. HMRC has a very good web portal which is called HMRC Gateway, where you can actually create an account with the details of your company as well as yourself simply by using your email address, two-step authentication, and some other very basic information. If you follow the screen on HMRC portal, you'll be able to register yourself for the VAT. However, there are some terms that may or may not make much sense if you're not used to the process of HMRC for registering the VAT in the UK. In that type of situation, you may or may not require assistance from a qualified agent who can handle your VAT efficiently. However, I recommend you speak to a qualified tax agent who can register you for the VAT with the correct terms and the codes that are required for your business. It is important to know that all the information that you provide to HMRC that are fully accurate. Fixing the information later can be difficult, or you could be penalized for providing false information. Who can assist you for registering VAT? Personally, I would advise you to find a tax advisor or a qualified VAT or HMRC agent who can register your business for the VAT. There are a few certain requirements set out by HMRC for your VAT. One, for example, could be a tax identification number for yourself that you need to achieve from your country, which HMRC would record in their system. Other things could include your identification, a copy of your passport or ID, proof of your address for the business based in the UK, could include a lease agreement or a rental agreement, or if you own a property, a mortgage statement. It may also include providing your birth certificate fully translated in English or an acceptable language. These requirements may or may not change there and then. However, registered and qualified VAT or tax agent with HMRC based in the UK can clarify that for you very easily. I hope this information has been useful for you, and this information is helping you to make the right decision for registering your VAT as a non-resident director in the UK for your UK-based company. I recommend you check our website and look into the services and the help that we can provide for your business. We're an UK-based accountancy firm based in Liverpool city centre, and we deal with this type of issues on a day-to-day basis. If you do feel like you need some assistance or need some advice, please do get in touch. Or if you'd like to speak to me or one of my colleagues, please do get in touch. All the information with our contact details are on the video description below. For more information or useful videos, please subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and leave a comment if you have any question from my video. I hope I have been able to assist you today. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon again.